Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness and take away all my sadness. Ease my troubles, that's what you do. For the morning sun in all its glory is the day with hope and comfort too. You fill my life with laughter and somehow you make it better. Ease my troubles, that's what you do. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you. But show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm aware is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. Though it hasn't all been roses, still I know you understand. One of these nights, when we're sharing a dream, I'm gonna take you by the hand and lay you down on a bed of roses. In that peaceful shelter, only love can provide. I'll lay you down on a bed of roses, and then I'll lay me down right by your side. And I can't count the times almost say what's on my mind, but I didn't. And just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. Baby, you know that you've been wondering. So here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, for all the times I wore myself beating like a baby churn, all wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every time I'm finally free, and I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and pray to the one, I've told you lately that I love you. I've told you there's no one else above you. Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's no diamond on your finger, just a simple wedding band. Since you're not in shining armor, it's just an ordinary man. Though I promise you a kingdom, and we don't have all we plan. One of these nights, when we're making believe, I'm gonna take you by the hand and lay you down on a bed of roses. In that peaceful shelter, only love can provide. I'll lay you down on a bed of roses, and then I'll lay me down right by your side, and then I'll lay me down right by your